Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2014 Ford Fusion Titanium. It's got the 2.0 Eco Boost for this job. A T30 Torx head, an extension, 3/8 ratchet with a 15mm for the drain plug, your oil filter, TG3614, 6 quarts of 5W30, a drain pan with a oil filter wrench, and of course a floor jack or car ramps. And remember how to do the hood release. Set you here for a second. First, start by popping the hood. We're gonna grab our floor jack over here. Find a good and once we get it up off the ground, yeah, this great big splash shield under here. A couple bolts, hold that up. This whole thing comes down. You can get to your oil filter, your drain pan. Okay, so for the splash shield, I'm using a T30 on a Torx. What you want to do is you want to get to these ones back here first. And come up to the ones on the sides. And then you got your couple up front. Push that out of the way for now. Back here's your oil drain plug. I'll go grab a socket for that, and I'll grab the pan. So the socket is a 15mm for the drain plug. We'll slide our pan down here. Trick is not getting oil all over your hands taking out the drain plug. We'll see how it works. Still clean, not a drop. So we'll wait for that to drain. Okay, so after your oil drains out, grab your oil filter wrench. And your oil filter is right here. Go ahead and get that loosened up. normally not lucky enough to not get it on me. I always make a mess with the wrench or with the filter. So, grab a rag real quick. Go ahead and grab your new filter out of the box. Grab your oil. What I like to do is get it on the cap, take it, rub it around the seal. Go ahead and take your new filter and screw that on there. Put it on there hand tight. Grab our drain plug out of the drain pan. Put that back in there. Move the drain pan out of our way so we can actually tighten that drain plug up. Now back to the top of the car. See if I can set the camera up here. There we go. Use a funnel if you want, but I never do. Now the EcoBoost takes 6 quarts, so I do a full jug and then 1 quart out of another 5-quart jug. Just because it's cheaper buying 5-quart jugs instead of 1 quart. And another jug I was using, so use this for my extra quarts. Go ahead and start the motor, get the oil circulating, and then we will check our dipstick. So after you shut the engine back off, pull our dipstick. Oil level's good. Now we'll go back underneath, we'll put that pan back up. got the two front ones, or two of the front ones. Go back here to the side one. The other side. And there you go. There's your oil change. Okay, and then after the oil change, you want to reset your oil life light. So we'll scroll through. You go to Settings, Vehicle, and Oil Life Reset right there. Set to 100%. Reset complete. That's all there is to it. Stay tuned for more videos.